According to the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, diabetes affects 25.8 million people of all ages across the USA. Local News 8's Esme Carriega talked to a family whose son was just recently diagnosed with type 1 diabetes, and they'd like to raise awareness.
4-year-old Parker Campbell was a perfectly happy and healthy child until 4 months ago. Parker, just like a growing number of young children, was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes.
Headaches, really sweaty, and really just doesn't feel well, doesn't feel right.
Type 1 diabetes occurs when the pancreas makes little or no insulin, a hormone that the body needs to let sugar enter cells and produce energy. Campbell says the symptoms sounded all too familiar to her.
So my father was diagnosed 39 years ago with type 1 diabetes. And so I've grown up my whole life knowing about it, its signs, its symptoms.
However, when it came to her family, she didn't want to believe her son had type 1 diabetes.
I look back and I think I knew, but really you don't know how to really accept something like that until somebody tells you.
Symptoms of type 1 diabetes are often mistaken for the flu or other common sicknesses.
Kids drink. It causes them to have to urinate. They urinate, so therefore they're thirsty. All those symptoms of diabetes are so easily excused for other things.
Campbell says there are many healthcare professionals that overlook the symptoms.
There's children across the country all the time that are dying because they are not diagnosed properly.
She also says a simple finger stick can make a difference.
Little children of a disease that is very manageable.
Parker is doing just fine. And Campbell has since joined a Facebook group where she shares her and Parker's experiences with diabetes.
That they can live a healthy, normal life just like everyone else.
Reporting from Idaho Falls, I'm Esme Carriega.
The Colorado School of Public Health nationwide says there are nearly 167,000 children and teenagers who have type 1 diabetes.